Welcome to my 5 smartphone hacks that you can do to your smartphone. You can turn a long charging cable into a spiral cord in just a few minutes. Simply wrap your cord around a marker and run a hair dryer over it for a minute or two until the cord stays in place, and then you have a charger that's easy to handle, but it can also be stretched. Next up is a DIY tripod using a water bottle. You simply remove the cone of the bottle and keep the body. Then you cut a square on each opposite side and then you're done. The next hack is for if you've lost your SIM tool. Simply use a paperclip as a SIM ejection tool. The next smartphone hack is using a black wallpaper to save battery. When the pixels are black, they aren't producing any light. When the pixel is white or another color, they are producing light. If you use a black wallpaper on an AMOLED display, your display will produce less light, and this will help you save more battery power. The next hack is turning on airplane mode when you are about to charge your smartphone. And the reason for this is that it charges faster because in the background your phone is always scanning for signals and connections. And by turning on airplane mode, it removes that.